Yar. Hello mateys, this is Captain Blue over at CGPirates.com. Don't forget to click like and ring the little subscribe bell, just so that I know that you're watching. Anyway, we're getting on with this, and if you watched the previous part, you will have seen that we have an asset that I want to bring into here from Megascans. That's a big Icelandic rock to make this look more detailed down the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just right click in here, and I'm going to make a new folder and I'm going to call this imports. Okay, and then if I just go in there and I can click import, and then I'm going to go down to where I put my stuff. Now then, I made a downloaded assets folder, and here you can see it all. And what I'll do is I'll download LOD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0, the roughness, the normal, the displacement, including this big, well, I'm not going to bother with that EXR file, this albedo here, and I don't need anything else. Okay, so I'm just going to click open. Now this will take a moment or two as it brings all the files in. Now as you can see, we've got this just appeared, okay, and this is our FBX or film box import options. Okay, I'm just going to click import all. There we go, and it's done. Now we've got a message here saying no smoothing group information was found. I'm not going to worry about that for the minute. I'm more interested in what's going on down here. Okay, now I'm going to make sure they're all selected. So I did Control A, and then I'm going to save them. So that's just Control and S, and that will save these packages. That way I can do things and it'll still look fine. Okay, so that's all done. So you can tell it's done because there's no little star next to any of them. So let's quickly go through them and explain what they are. Okay, so here we have the albedo map. So as you know, this is basically our surface. And then we have our displacement map, our normal map, and our roughness map. And then over here we have our LODs. Now, if I hover over this, you'll see where it says triangles, 14,740. What that means is that it's quite high detail. It's got 14,000 triangles that make up the model, and each time we move along one in the LODs, it goes down. Okay, so just a quick explanation of LODs, because I'm sure we'll do some more of this, is that these allow you to have less detail on screen the further away you get, which is really useful. Right, so what I'm going to do in the next part is I'm going to put all these together. So I'll just close my windows just here, and remember, if you have any questions or you're not sure how to do something, just drop into the Facebook group or Discord, or just shoot me over an email, and I really look forward to hearing from you soon. And keep your eyes open, because the next tutorial will be coming in just a moment.